Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I just want to explain to you the benefits of using compound profits. So, I just pulled up just a simple, a simple compound. This is actually a compound interest calculator, but it's the same concept because we're going off of percentages. So, let's just say you have $1,000 and you're gonna swing trade it, and there are roughly 20 trading days in the month. So we will say that you are only going to make 8 trades for the whole entire month. So whether that would be 8 day trades or 8 swing trades, just over the span of a few days. Now, you also have to take into consideration that with $1,000 or whatever you may have, that more likely it's probably going to be a cash account, and so you won't have the margin to be able to make another trade until your money actually settles from the previous trade, and it takes 2 business days for a trade to settle. So the scenario again is 8 trades in a month, and we'll just start with $1,000. So with $1,000, if you make a swing trade if you invest into a upward trending stock, you should be able to easily make 3%. So if you are able to pull this off 8 times a month, and this is being very conservative, and you reinvest 100% of your profits, this is what you would have just off of $1,000. You would make $266.78. Now, obviously, that's not taking out your commission fees or whatever fees that you would have, but you would still have over $200 profit. So let's move it up to $3,000. Same scenario, recalculate it, $800. And one more time with $5,000. Right there, you made $1,333 profit in 1 month if you were able to invest into a upward trending stock, and you only made 8 trades a month that were successful, and you only took 3%. So this is just a quick video just to show you the benefits of using your compound profits to make more money. It gives you more leverage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Again, my name is James Mason. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.